Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We are starting our crawl space waterproofing series. This is a professional DIY series for those homeowners that want to waterproof their crawl space and or basement. We'll show you how to install gravel perforated pipe along the footer, what type of pipe is used. We'll also show you how to cut the basement floor and install that same system. We'll show you the exterior waterproofing, NDS quick drain, and gravel perforated pipe, where it goes and how it's installed. We'll show you how to find black mold and how it's formed. We'll also show you how to install a vapor barrier. Teach you how to dig that trench along that foundation wall. Show you how to core your foundation to bring that water from the sump pump out. We'll also show you gravity discharge. Lots of ways to move water out. We're also going to show you the professional series for installing French drain catch basins, the best applications for it. All of this will be available and posted in a playlist after they're all up, so you can always come back and watch the entire series.
So we're going to set up our Bosch hammer drill. Yeah, our drill gets a little dirty sometimes, but we're using a 2-inch diamond core bit. These are industrial diamonds here on the end of it, and you can see it's got the masonry bit that goes inside. This core is right through the wall. This is a hammer drill, and the hammer drill actually hammers at the same time it rotates, able to core out a nice 2-inch hole for our 1.5-inch PVC. So the way that we're finding the measurement is we're using the vent as our guide, and basically our sump pit is about right here inside the crawl space. We're going to use this vent. We're going to come down way down to here, and we're going to drill through. So let's just see what we got here. So that's through the hollow portion of the block. Now we just got to make sure we line it up nice and straight. So you can see our core goes straight through the block, and you can see the light on the other side. That's right where the sump pump is, I hope. So through the core that we just made, we're sliding a piece of 1.5-inch PVC. That's good. We slide that through, and now we're able to make this plumbing connection from the sump pump down here. We're going to put a 90 on it right here, and it'll go right through the wall. So you can see this is a really tight fit. Remember that there is a check valve right here. It's going to give you a little bit of cushion where you can push or bend this pipe so that it fits tightly into this fitting. Let's go ahead and get our glue out. And first I want to go ahead and glue the 90 up at the top. Good amount of glue. Push and hold. That sets for a perfect spot right there. Now we're going to go ahead and fit this together. This takes a little bit of work because it is a tight fit, but not that bad. Good amount of glue. Push down on your pump. Pull it up tight. And we're set. This is now together, and everything's ready to go here. Basically, you can see the pump at the bottom of the pit, check valve, the riser coming up, out through the wall. We'll go outside and plumb that across the ground there where he wants that to go. Now we're just going to make some dry measurements We're going to stick our 90 on there. You can see how it's going to set up, just like this, with our piece of PVC sticking out, going out to the discharge. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
So that's just one example of how to core your foundation wall using a hammer drill and a 2-inch diamond core bit. You know, we have hundreds of videos that show that process. Almost all the crawl space videos show how to go through the wall, but in this Pro series we're trying to get it down where you can easily find the material that you need. It will all be posted in a playlist after all the videos are posted, and you can easily come back and check and learn again. Hey, don't forget about live help, video consultation via Skype or FaceTime. We can easily answer any question you have, help you with project planning, materials, maybe even help you find some labor. Use our service sign-up sheet, we'll get you into that schedule. The next video in the Pro series is how to set up your sump pump and your sump basin. Let's take a look.